Charlotte, North Carolina isn't just a banking hub, it's a thriving ecosystem for venture capital. The city has evolved from its traditional financial roots to become a beacon for startups and investors alike. From modest beginnings, the city's venture capital scene has blossomed into a powerhouse. The transformation was a gradual process fueled by visionaries who saw beyond the present. It all started in the late 20th century when a few visionary investors saw potential in Charlotte's burgeoning tech and financial sectors. They laid the groundwork, taking risks on startups that would eventually become industry leaders. These early investments were the seeds that would grow into a thriving venture capital ecosystem. Firms like Frontier Capital and Falfurrias Capital Partners emerged, driven by a belief in the region's untapped potential. These firms were among the first to recognize that Charlotte had the ingredients needed to become a major player in the venture capital world. As the years passed, these early pioneers were joined by new players, each bringing fresh energy and ideas to the table. They didn't just invest in companies, they invested in Charlotte's future. Their commitment went beyond financial support. They provided mentorship, resources, and a network of connections that were crucial for the funding and growth of startups. And the results were nothing short of spectacular. Today, firms like Pappas Capital and Idea Fund Partners continue to drive innovation. Events like the Southeast Venture Conference and organizations such as the Carolina FinTech Hub have played pivotal roles in fostering a collaborative environment. These platforms have brought together entrepreneurs, investors, and industry leaders to share ideas and forge partnerships. With over $1 billion in venture capital investments in the past decade and a 30% increase in startup success rates, Charlotte's venture capital scene is thriving. The numbers tell a story of growth and success, but the real impact is seen in the lives of the entrepreneurs and the innovations they bring to the market. Startups like AvidXchange and Passport have become industry leaders, showcasing the city's potential on a national stage. With the foundation set, the early 21st century saw the rise of major venture capital firms in Charlotte. Frontier Capital, founded in the late 1990s, funded high-growth companies like AvidXchange and Passport. Falfurrias Capital Partners, founded by former Bank of America executives, made significant strides in various sectors. Events like Techstars Startup Week fostered innovation and strengthened the city's entrepreneurial ecosystem. Venture capital investment in Charlotte has grown by over 300% in the last decade. The future is bright for Charlotte, with its venture capital scene showing no signs of slowing down. The growth of venture capital in Charlotte wasn't driven by venture capital firms alone. Conferences and professional associations played a pivotal role in shaping the landscape. These gatherings provided a fertile ground for the exchange of ideas, fostering a culture of collaboration and continuous improvement. Events like the Southeast Venture Conference, which has seen over 500 startups pitch their ideas, brought together investors, entrepreneurs, and thought leaders from across the region. This conference became a cornerstone event, offering a platform for emerging companies to showcase their innovations and secure crucial funding. These gatherings weren't just networking opportunities, they were incubators of ideas and partnerships that would drive the industry forward. The interactions and connections made at these events often led to groundbreaking collaborations and ventures that pushed the boundaries of what was possible. Professional associations like the North Carolina Technology Association, with over 1,000 member companies, provided a platform for continuous learning and collaboration. These associations organized workshops, seminars, and training sessions that kept members abreast of the latest trends and technologies. By fostering a community of like-minded professionals, they helped ensure that Charlotte remained at the forefront of venture capital innovation. Today, Frontier Capital manages over $1.5 billion in capital, while AvidXchange has grown to a valuation of over $2 billion. And as we look to the future, one thing is certain: the best is yet to come. The foundation laid by these conferences and associations has set the stage for continued growth and innovation. Charlotte is poised to remain a leader in the venture capital landscape for years to come. The ongoing efforts to host and participate in key conferences and professional associations ensure that the city stays connected to global trends and opportunities. Collaborative workspaces, startup incubators, and accelerators have also played a significant role in nurturing new ventures. These facilities provide not only physical space but also mentorship, resources, and a community of peers who can offer support and guidance. Successful product launches and media coverage of startups from Charlotte have put the city on the map as a destination for innovation. The visibility gained through these successes attracts more investors and entrepreneurs, creating a virtuous cycle of growth and development. Educational institutions in Charlotte have also contributed to this ecosystem by providing a steady stream of talent. Universities and colleges offer programs in entrepreneurship, technology, and business, equipping students with the skills they need to succeed in the venture capital world. Community events and local business awards celebrate the achievements of entrepreneurs and investors, fostering a sense of pride and accomplishment. These recognitions not only honor individual successes but also highlight the collective progress of the entire community. As we envision the future, Charlotte's commitment to fostering a vibrant venture capital ecosystem remains unwavering. The city is not just keeping pace with the times, it is setting the standard for what a thriving, innovative community should look like. With a strong foundation and a forward-looking vision, the city is well-positioned to continue its trajectory of success and innovation. With a mix of traditional industries and innovative tech companies, Charlotte is uniquely positioned to attract a diverse range of entrepreneurs. The blend of old and new industries creates a dynamic marketplace where innovation meets experience, fostering a culture of continuous growth and adaptation. This unique combination makes Charlotte an attractive destination for entrepreneurs looking to make their mark. Local universities and incubators play a crucial role, providing resources and support to budding entrepreneurs. Institutions like UNC Charlotte and Queen's University offer specialized programs that equip students with the skills needed to succeed in the startup world. The annual Southeast Venture Conference and organizations like the Carolina FinTech Hub have also contributed significantly, offering platforms for networking, learning, and collaboration. These initiatives ensure that entrepreneurs have access to the latest industry insights and trends, keeping them ahead of the curve. As a result, we're seeing a surge in successful startups and significant investments flowing into the region. In 2022 alone, Charlotte-based startups raised over $500 million in venture capital. This influx of capital has enabled startups to scale rapidly, hire top talent, and expand their market reach. The success stories emerging from Charlotte serve as inspiration for new entrepreneurs, proving that with the right support and resources, anything is possible. The future looks bright for Charlotte's venture capital landscape, promising continued growth and innovation. Looking ahead, the future of venture capital in Charlotte appears incredibly promising. The city is not only growing rapidly, but also evolving into a vibrant ecosystem for innovation and entrepreneurship. The city's continued growth and commitment to fostering innovation suggests that we can expect even more groundbreaking ventures to emerge. With a supportive local government and a community that embraces new ideas, Charlotte is becoming a magnet for ambitious entrepreneurs and forward-thinking investors. Additionally, as more success stories come out of Charlotte, it will attract further attention from national and international investors. So, in the coming years, Charlotte is poised to solidify its reputation as a major hub for venture capital and entrepreneurial success. With over $1 billion invested in local startups in the past 5 years, the city is on a trajectory for even greater achievements. The future looks bright for Charlotte, as it continues to attract top-tier talent and investment, making it a key player in the national and global startup scene.